Welcome to this practice that will increase your luck. It's devised by Paul McKenna, a therapist and success coach. He taught this practice to a number of people who did it every day for a week, and every one of them found that their luck changed for the better. In a moment, we are going to do a simple visualization technique where you remember times that you either felt lucky or that everything was going your way. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in and relax. Gently close your eyes. Remember a time or times when you felt lucky. Remember them vividly, like you are back there again now. Or if you don't feel particularly lucky at the moment, remember a time in your past where you felt everything was going your way. See what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel how good you felt. Now, make the images in your mind, the memory of the images bigger, the colours brighter, bolder, richer, the sounds louder, and the feelings stronger. Keep going through the memories again and again, over and over, until you feel really, really good. Now, notice where you feel the good feeling strongest in your body. Is it in your chest, your heart area, or where is it? Imagine the really good feeling has a colour, and spread that colour up to the top of your head and down to the tip of your toes. Take time to do it now. Next, double the brightness and intensity of the colour and feeling, and double it again and again until you feel it in every fibre of your being, in every cell of your body. Now, take the colour and feeling to its absolute maximum, 100%. Now take it to 120%, 130%, 140%. Now take it to 1,000,000, billion, trillion% stronger. Make the colour bright, bold, and the feeling strong. Right now, you should be glowing with good feelings and positive luck energy. Do this technique every day for a week and notice how your